Aqua for the culture. Ha. Adibo on this one. Sege, yeah. Ejere moka afura misia. Ben hasi siepe la koge modo ya. Na come begin the drone when my juju. Jopagi the nena nam ju on your bola juju. Nimi henile ngwe chapota na nye bundibo anye na dakwaya anye hapura kubere chanya ochozo kwechepo na nkode namba no ya negere mbanri wo wanne ngwe tonwo juche ndi room baba chala namu baba nuchi mu bakube ndi nkemu and I'm proud of my culture nebemsi maka mwala namu mirala namu ndi chebanye na chinedumije lekwa hewere lonodu n'ime ndumu ana magazi with udo n'ọṅụ ọdịna labụ no ụzọ ndụ 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 ọdịna labụ no ụzọ ndụ. Don't forget, I'm a wabo adibo. I dey sing and dey rap with Oyibo and Igbo. Wanne okwa for the culture. Anywhere you come from, be proud of your culture. Yes, I represent Alibo non-stop. Echezakwala, hype your culture. Like I do, I'm proud of my culture. Yes, I'm very, very proud of my culture. Culture, 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 culture.